Water is the lifeblood of our planet. We need it to survive. Every living thing on Earth depends on it. From the smallest microbe to the largest whale, water is essential. It is a simple molecule, but it is vital. Water covers over 70% of Earth's surface. It fills our oceans, lakes, and rivers. It falls from the sky as rain and snow. Water is constantly moving, shaping our planet. It carves canyons and erodes mountains. It is a powerful force of nature. Without water, there would be no life on Earth. Our planet would be a barren wasteland. Water is a precious resource. We must protect it and use it wisely. Water is more than just a substance. It is a symbol of life. It represents purity and renewal. In many cultures, water is sacred. It is used in religious ceremonies and rituals. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, speaks about the importance of water. It is mentioned numerous times, emphasizing its significance in the natural world and in the lives of all creatures. It recognizes water as the source of all life, a vital element that sustains every living being on Earth. One verse states, "We made from water every living thing." This profound declaration underscores the essential role of water in the creation and maintenance of life. Without water, life as we know it would not exist. Another verse emphasizes the divine act of providing water. "And we send down from the sky blessed water whereby we produce gardens and the grain of harvest." The Quran emphasizes the life-giving properties of water, sustaining plants and in turn all life forms. These verses demonstrate the Quran's deep appreciation for water. Water is portrayed as a blessing, essential for survival and well-being. This perspective fosters a sense of gratitude and responsibility towards water. The Quran's emphasis on water aligns with scientific understanding. It reminds us that water is not just a scientific marvel, but a sacred element, a gift that sustains all life. NASA searches for life beyond Earth. They explore the cosmos for habitable planets. These are worlds that could support life. NASA uses powerful telescopes. They can see planets trillions of miles away. They look for planets with liquid water. NASA has found thousands of planets. Some are in the habitable zone. This is where liquid water can exist. There could be life on these planets. Finding life would be a historic discovery. It would change our understanding of the universe. NASA's search continues. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake developed an equation. This equation estimates the number of detectable civilizations in our galaxy, the Milky Way. We call it the Drake equation, a groundbreaking formula in astrobiology. It considers factors like star formation rates and habitable planets. It also factors in the emergence of intelligent life and detectable signals. The Drake equation provides a framework for scientific inquiry. It guides researchers in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Section 5. Water's unique properties, the elixir of life. Water is a unique substance essential for life. It dissolves many substances, earning the title of universal solvent. This property supports chemical reactions and nutrient transport. Water's high surface tension and heat capacity stabilize environments. These unique properties ensure the continuity of life on Earth. Section 6. Historical perspectives on water from ancient civilizations to modern science. Water has always been essential for human civilization. Ancient civilizations thrived near rivers. The Egyptians built their civilization on the banks of the Nile River. The Mesopotamians settled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. These rivers provided water for drinking, irrigation, and transportation. Throughout history, people have studied water. Ancient Greek philosophers believed that water was one of the four elements. Aristotle described the water cycle. He explained how water evaporates, condenses, and precipitates. In the 18th century, Antoine Lavoisier discovered the chemical composition of water. He found that water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Today, we continue to study water. We use advanced technologies to understand its properties and its role in the universe. Section 7. Water in the Quran. A spiritual perspective. The Quran emphasizes the spiritual significance of water. It is seen as a symbol of purity and cleansing. Muslims perform ablution before prayer. This involves washing their hands, face and feet with water. Water is also used in Islamic rituals. It is used to cleanse the body after death. The Quran also describes water as a source of mercy and forgiveness. One verse states, "And it is He who sends down rain from the sky, and we produce thereby the growth of all things." Quran 6:99. This verse highlights the life-giving and forgiving nature of water, mirroring the qualities of a merciful God. Water, in Islamic belief, is not just a physical substance, but a spiritual one. It connects us to the divine. Section 8. The Convergence of Faith and Science. The Quran's teachings about water and NASA's search for habitable planets may seem like separate pursuits. One is rooted in faith, the other in science. However, they share a common thread, a deep appreciation for the importance of water in the universe. Science explores the physical properties of water. It investigates its role in the formation of planets and the evolution of life. Faith, on the other hand, views water through a spiritual lens. It sees water as a symbol of creation, purity, and divine blessing. Despite their different approaches, both faith and science recognize the profound significance of water. They remind us that water is not just a molecule, but a vital element that connects us all. Section 9. Conclusion. The universal language of life. Water is the universal language of life. It connects all living things from bacteria to galaxies. The Quran and NASA both highlight water's essential role in life. Water remains central to our scientific and spiritual quests. Understanding water reveals our place in the cosmos. The search for life is a reflection of our origins in the cosmic ocean.